Here I have UMIDIGI Power, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button, battery saver. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can also access some of its settings. Go to the battery saver and you can switch it here. And you can also set it to turn on automatically at which percentage you can choose from 5% to 75%. Let's set it, for example, for 31%. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.